Start by communicating. Communicate poorly. And you can't do anything well until you do it poorly first. And so be willing to risk conversations not going well. As in many things, it's so helpful to have some support that when you're in isolation, you can't see the forest for the trees. And you can be making some communication mistakes that you don't even realize that you're making, as can your spouse. Marriage mentors, marriage coaches, marriage counselors, even pastoral help through a local community church can be an incredible resource to help you see your blind spots when it comes to the communication that you're having with your spouse. Identify where things are breaking down and to help slow down the process so that you don't get so wound up that you show up different than how you want to in a way that doesn't really honor your relationship in the way that you would want to. Take the risk, be willing to try communication, even if it's not going to go well. If it continues to not go well, get some help. You don't know what you don't know. People have been married for millennia and there are best practices that have been learned through that time that can help you. Go find that help.